2025 McLaren 750s. Starting at $318.085. Highs. Record-setting acceleration, neat aerodynamic tricks, sublime handling. Lows. Frunk is insufficient for a long trip, no Android Auto, costs about as much as the average home. Verdict. The 750s is even better than the masterpiece it replaces, and that's saying something. Overview. McLaren 720s was a fantastic car, and the 750s that succeeds it only manages to improve the British brand's supercar recipe. The ingredients are deceptively simple: more power from the twin-turbo mid-mounted V8, less weight, and a host of aero tweaks. The result? A six-figure supercar that rockets to 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, sticks to our skid pad at up to 1.13 Gs, and tops out at a claimed 206 miles per hour. Even better, McLaren offers the 750s as either a coupe or retractable roof spider. This low-slung Ferrari fighter nails dynamics and driver feedback. Yet, it's also surprisingly easy to live with day-to-day. Credit the car's supple ride and ability to raise its nose to clear taller obstacles. Given the limited cargo space of the 750s, we suggest packing light or going solo. That shouldn't be a problem, since you won't want to get out of the driver's seat anyway. What's new for 2025? Every 2025 750s sports an engine start button finished in the brand's signature hue, papaya orange. The newly available Stealth badge package is exactly what you'd expect: black badges on the car and on the wheel center caps. McLaren also now offers the 750s with body color carbon fiber front fenders, which it complements with high-gloss carbon fiber vents. There are more personalization options through the company's McLaren Special Operations, MSO, bespoke arm, too, including a range of special paint options, side mirror striping, brake caliper paint, and interior accents. There are 12 preset visual packages to choose from, including several motorsports livery-inspired options, or for some extra coin MSO will do just about anything you want. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 McLaren 750 starts at $318.085 and goes up to $337.195 depending on the trim and options. 750s Coupe. $318,085. 750s Spider. $337,195. It's simply impossible to spec the 750s incorrectly. We should point out that if 750s buyers pay for each carbon fiber and lightweight option, the coupe does end up a manufacturer-claimed 108 pounds lighter than the Spider. Going that route will further lighten your bank account, too. Engine, transmission, and performance. Aft of the 750S's cabin lives a 740 HP twin-turbo V8 engine that's not shy about applying its 590 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels. A 7-speed dual-clutch handles gear shifts. Sampling the 750s coupe for ourselves, including some breathtaking track time at Circuito do Estoril in Portugal and a run up a California canyon road, left us blown away by its performance. Beyond its raw power, the 750s dons aggressive aero bits that give it more downforce than the 720s before it. McLaren's latest iteration of its hydraulic suspension has lightweight springs and dampers that give the driver more feedback when it comes to carving canyon roads. When it comes to navigating speed bumps and bumper scraping parking lot entrances, the 750s can quickly raise its nose with the click of a button. 0-60 mph times. On our test track, the 750s put down a blistering 2.3-second run to 60 miles per hour. That eclipses the Ferrari 296 GTB's time by a tenth and makes this McLaren the quickest rear-wheel drive car we've ever tested. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. We averaged 12 mpg in a 750s we tested. When we get a chance, We'll take the 750s on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route and update this story with its real-world MPG. For more information about the 750S's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The 750's interior might be the simplest part of this complex rolling sculpture. Inside, 750's buyers can choose from faux suede or leather interior trimmings. McLaren keeps the majority of the interior dark but allows 750's customers to choose the color of its stitching for an additional cost. Unlike those of many cars today, the 750S's steering wheel is free of buttons. Due to space reserved for the power folding roof, the Spider has less rear cargo space than the coupe, but both versions have a front that's a little less than half the size of the Corvette's. Infotainment and connectivity. A 7.0-inch vertical infotainment screen is home to most controls such as those that control climate, audio, and the ambient lighting configurator. Apple CarPlay compatibility comes standard. Android users are sole, as the 750's lacks Android Auto entirely. A Bowers & Wilkins audio system complete with an amplifier and McLaren's Continuum cone speakers handle music should you for some reason want to drown out the P1-inspired exhaust note. Safety and driver assistance features. In place of traditional driver assistance technology, McLaren serves up useful options that are meant to keep the six-figure supercar scratch-free. For more information about the 750S's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard front and rear parking sensors, available front-end lift system, available 360-degree camera, warranty and maintenance coverage. McLaren protects the 750's with a standard limited and powertrain warranty that spans 3 years with no mileage limit. The company also provides extended coverage for extra coin that lasts up to 12 years with a cap of 12,000 miles per year. Limited warranty covers 3 years and unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 3 years and unlimited miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years.